Hello, welcome to Stuff and Random. As promised, today we'll be actually getting to design something with Blender. So without wasting my time, let's get to it. Just tap into edit mode, select face. You could just select the top and delete. Next, we're going to add a modifier, and a modifier is the icon that looks like a spanner right there. I think that's a spanner. So you add the solidifier modifier. Solidify. Yes. Just increase the thickness a little bit. Good. And apply. No, wait. You have to undo something. Okay. A little bit more inner thickness. Yeah. Apply. Now we need to tap back into edit mode by hitting tab. Okay, yeah. And we need to select the top edges. Sorry, select edges over there. Okay, then alt select to select all edges, and E to extrude up. Okay, and S to scale in. Scale it in, and yeah, that's good. Then we hit E to extrude the edge again up a little bit and stop, then E again to extrude just a little bit more, and S to scale it out. Okay, we have sort of nice model. Okay, we need to add another modifier, that's the subdivision surface modifier. Okay, just to round it up a bit. Oh, we need to make some adjustments. Just scale it out a little bit, give it a pot shape. Okay, I think that's good for me. Okay, if you need more smooth edges, you could just come to viewport and increase the viewport a bit, just to make it more smooth. But I want mine to be rough, so I'm just going to keep it. Yeah, no, a little more rough. I think one it's okay for me. Okay, let's decorate it. You go to shading, just click shading over there. Okay, then going to do shift add texture, select image texture. You have a node right there, put it, position it. Then yeah, you connect the color of that node to that node. Okay, so let me zoom in. So color from there, color here to base color over there. That should be simple. So it's a black looking image over there. Now we come to open, we need to input an image. So open, and I have my image on desktop. Yeah, select, then open. Yeah, thank you very much. And select the rendered view. Yeah, you need to select the rendered view to see the textures you added. Yeah, and I think this looks good for me. Let's go ahead and add a base plane. Okay, so Shift A, select plane. Okay, we need to reposition that. So grab with G and move down. Okay, S to scale it out. That's good. Time to render. Now before you render, you need to get a good image position. So just select the camera. Sorry, you need to press N, go to view, and lock camera to view. And now you can make adjustments without moving the camera, and that's good. And just hit render image. That's it for modeling the vase. Our next video will be on a little intro to animation, where we'll make a spin model of our vase. So for now, just subscribe and anticipate.